Hello, Assalamu alaikum, Mabinchi family. Sannu da haka. Welcome back to our channel. On today's Ramadan series, we are making a pasta salad. Yeah, zamu salad and pasta. But necessarily the pasta and na use bowl. You can do your own katika so I wanted that that you think the nice shape and nice for you. You just do it. Shake use one now but she necessarily now use orange, the green shade. They are beach marita use one sheet no matter use ba. So you can use co and pasta and they are available for you in the supermarket, co, caswa, co, wherever. Okay, so when you use pasta, um boiled egg, kind of fifi, baked beans, mayonnaise, salt for the pasta and zamudafa, one white pepper and one black pepper, one sweet corn, red and green bell pepper, one a garden pea, shake a cucumbers, got carrots, got albasa. And with the shape, and then you can cut it in any shape or sizes that you want. Not necessarily kamanayan kashaka, shesa kemaki and kashaka. Whichever shape, coastal, yaki kiki, so you can just cut it, then you're good. Okay. So, we'll start by boiling our pasta.